Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Guide World, your go-to spot for all things travel. Today, Greece, a tapestry of sun-drenched islands, ancient ruins, and vibrant cities, promises an unforgettable escape. This southern European gem, cradled by the Aegean, Ionian, and Mediterranean seas, is a testament to the grandeur of ancient civilizations. The echoes of history are palpable here, from the mighty Parthenon standing tall on Athens' Acropolis to the sacred site of Delphi, where Pythia, the oracle of Apollo, once held sway. Yet Greece is more than a historical treasure trove. It's a dynamic living culture where tradition and modernity intertwine. The Greek spirit of Kefi, a zest for life, is infectious and is best exemplified in their food, music, and festivals. In this video, we'll navigate you through the must-visit places, tantalize your taste buds with Greek culinary delights, and immerse you in time-honored traditions. So, fasten your seatbelts. Get ready to embark on a virtual journey to Greece where history, culture, and cuisine converge. Scene script. First up, the must-see spots in Greece. Let's start with the renowned historical sites. Picture yourself strolling through the ancient ruins of the Acropolis, a symbol of Athens and the classical era. Its majestic Parthenon stands as a testament to the grandeur of ancient Greek civilization. As you explore, you'll find yourself immersed in stories of gods, heroes, and captivating myths. Next, journey to the sacred site of Delphi. Once considered the center of the world by the ancients, this archaeological treasure is nestled on the slopes of Mount Parnassus. Here, the oracle of Delphi once delivered prophecies, and you can almost hear the whispers of the past as you wander amongst the ruins. Now imagine the soft sand beneath your feet as you explore the stunning beaches of Crete, Santorini, and Mykonos. Each island has its unique charm. Crete, the land of the Minotaur, boasts diverse landscapes from breathtaking mountains to azure seas. Santorini, with its iconic blue-domed churches and whitewashed houses, offers a picture-perfect sunset unlike any other. And Mykonos, famous for its vibrant nightlife, is also home to tranquil beaches where you can soak up the sun during the day. From there, take a detour to the unique Meteora monasteries. Perched high atop towering rock pillars, these awe-inspiring monasteries seem to defy gravity. It's a place that's sure to leave you breathless, not just from the hike up, but from the stunning views that extend as far as the eye can see. Lastly, venture off the beaten path and discover the untouched beauty of the Zagori villages. Nestled within the rugged mountains of Epirus, these villages are a well-kept secret. Stone bridges, cobblestone paths, and traditional stone houses blend harmoniously with the natural surroundings. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Each location carries its own unique allure. The Acropolis and Delphi transport you back to the glory days of ancient Greece. The beaches of Crete, Santorini, and Mykonos offer a slice of paradise, each with their own distinct character. The Meteora monasteries inspire with their otherworldly beauty and testament to human perseverance. And the Zagori villages charm with their picturesque tranquility and unspoiled nature. Each location offers a glimpse into Greece's past and present, a fusion of ancient history and modern life. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or a seeker of untouched beauty, Greece has something for everyone. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through this enchanting land. Now let's whet your appetite with Greek cuisine. A world of flavors, fresh ingredients, and time-honored traditions await in the heart of the Mediterranean. Greek cuisine is a symphony of taste, a delightful dance of sweet, sour, salty, and bitter, all playing in your mouth at once. It's a cuisine that's steeped in history, shaped by the country's idyllic location and rich cultural heritage. Let's start with moussaka, a classic dish that's as Greek as the Acropolis. Imagine layers of sautéed eggplant, minced lamb, and creamy bechamel sauce all baked to golden perfection. The result? A harmonious blend of savory meat, tender vegetables, and luxuriously rich sauce that will have your taste buds singing praises. Next on the menu we have souvlaki. This quintessential Greek fast food is a culinary masterpiece in simplicity. Picture succulent pieces of marinated pork or chicken, grilled to perfection, and served on a warm pita bread with a generous dollop of tzatziki sauce. Every bite is a celebration of smoky, tangy flavors and a testament to the Greeks' love for grilling. But Greek cuisine isn't all about meat. Vegetarians, rejoice. Spanakopita is here to steal the show. This savory pie is a delightful combination of crumbly feta cheese, fresh spinach, and flaky filo pastry. Each bite is a burst of salty, creamy, and crunchy textures, a true testament to the versatility of Greek cuisine. And let's not forget dessert. Baklava, a sweet pastry made of layers of filo filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with honey, is a must-try. Each bite is a symphony of crunchy, sweet, and nutty flavors, a perfect end to any meal. But what truly defines Greek cuisine are the humble staples found in every dish. Olive oil, the liquid gold of the Mediterranean, is used liberally, adding a rich, fruity note to every meal. Feta cheese, with its tangy, salty flavor, adds a delightful contrast to the fresh, vibrant flavors of Greek salads. And let's not forget the wine. Whether it's a crisp white or a full-bodied red, Greek wines are the perfect complement to the country's diverse culinary offerings. Each dish tells a story, each ingredient a testament to Greece's rich history and vibrant culture. Greek cuisine isn't just about nourishment, it's about community, about sharing meals with loved ones, about celebrating life's simple pleasures. It's a cuisine that's deeply rooted in tradition, yet constantly evolving, a perfect reflection of the country itself. A trip to Greece isn't complete without indulging in its culinary delights. So, whether you're a foodie looking for your next culinary adventure, or a traveler seeking an authentic taste of Greece, prepare to embark on a gastronomic journey that's as rich and diverse as the country itself. Bon appétit, or as the Greeks say, kaliorexi. Beyond the food and the sights, Greece's traditions are its soul. One of the most significant traditions in Greece is the celebration of Greek Easter. Unlike anywhere else in the world, Easter here is marked with an array of customs that have been passed down from generation to generation. The Holy Week leading up to Easter Sunday is a time filled with beautiful church services, the making and sharing of traditional foods, and a palpable anticipation that fills the air. The culmination of this week is the midnight service on Easter Saturday, when the holy light is passed among the congregation, symbolizing the resurrection. The moment is filled with joy and celebration, with fireworks and the cracking of red eggs, symbolizing the breaking open of Jesus' tomb. In the heart of summer, another tradition takes center stage: the August Moon Festival. This is when Greeks celebrate the full moon of August, believed to be the most beautiful moon of the year. Surrounded by ancient ruins, people gather to enjoy music, dance, and storytelling under the glowing moon. This festival is a magical blend of the past and the present, creating an unforgettable experience. Then there's the Apokris Carnival, a 3-week festival leading up to Lent. Streets across Greece come alive with parades, masquerades, and parties. Think of it as the Greek version of Mardi Gras, infused with a sense of humor and an infectious zest for life. The carnival is a time for letting loose, embracing joy, and celebrating life's pleasures before the solemnity of Lent. And let's not forget traditional Greek music and dance. From the soulful strains of the bouzouki to the energetic steps of the sirtaki, these traditions are a vibrant expression of Greek culture. They speak of the country's history, its joys, and its sorrows. They tell stories that words alone cannot convey. Experiencing these traditions will truly immerse you in the Greek way of life. Greece, a country where ancient history meets vibrant modern life. We've journeyed through the country's top sites, from the awe-inspiring Acropolis to the sun-kissed islands of Santorini and Crete. We've indulged in the delights of Greek cuisine, savoring the heavenly flavors of moussaka, souvlaki, and baklava. We've immersed ourselves in the country's rich traditions, experiencing the joyous panegyric festivals and the time-honored practice of Greek coffee making. Greece is not just a travel destination, it's a captivating tapestry of history, culture, gastronomy, and tradition. It's a place where you can stand in awe of ancient achievements, indulge in culinary masterpieces, and participate in traditions that have been preserved for centuries. The allure of Greece is undeniable. It's a country that invites you to delve deeper, to explore more, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. So, are you ready to explore Greece? Pack your bags and prepare for an unforgettable journey. Well, there you have it, our comprehensive guide to Greece. From iconic landmarks to mouth-watering dishes and vibrant traditions, this city has something for every type of traveler. If you've been to Greece, share your experiences in the comments below, and if you haven't, hit that subscribe button for more travel guides like this. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.